Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem an Etsy gift card. If you've got an Etsy gift card, then you can redeem it so you can start shopping your favorite handmade and vintage items. First of all, launch open Etsy application on your Android or iPhone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner from the home page. You'll then end up in this U section where you need to tap on gift cards and Etsy credit. On the next page, go to the bottom and tap on redeem a gift card. Now, enter the gift card code in the text box on the next page. Make sure to write down the code exactly as it appears and then tap on redeem card. After tapping on redeem card, if the gift card code is valid, you'll then be able to redeem it right away. Your balance is now applied to your Etsy account. At checkout, you can choose to use your gift card for payment. So that's how you easily redeem your Etsy gift card using the Etsy application on your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.